Hey everybody, it's Greg and Janet with Strange RV Tours, and we are in Zephyr Florida, and we have another RV park review for you today. We are staying at the Forest Lake Village RV Resort, and it's really a nice park. So let's take a walk and look around, kind of tell you about it. This park has 274 sites, of which 254 of those are for full-timers and park models. Yeah. So they have 40 sites available for RVs that are staying temporarily. And we're gonna walk down here to the swimming pool area. Kind of show you that. It's a very nice pool. And I don't know if you guys have heard, but for some reason this year in Florida there are a lot more RVs here than there normally are. So we are having an awful hard time finding places to stay.
So we stayed 8 days here.
Yeah, we
Not
stayed
2 weeks.
We stayed 8 days here. We were allowed to stay up to 2 weeks, but they just did not have the space available for us to stay that long, so we're staying 8 days. And from here we have 2 more parks that are reserved for us, and after that we're gonna probably be heading back north.
They had an open house here last weekend.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. All of the park models that are here in the park were the ones that are for sale, were open for people to walk through. This is the clubhouse right in front of us. It's a very nice clubhouse. We won't go inside and bother everybody, but it's a very nice clubhouse inside.
Awesome, huh? Nice. And here's your horseshoes. You're into horseshoes. The dog park back here. And that's the other community back there. More spread out, regular home type settings. Lap pool. There you go. Let's see how warm it is today. It's not too bad. It's probably in the 70s for the water. And people's in the hot tub. That is 104. It feels warm. We were in there the other night. So, just that you see it. You see it. See if you'd like to stay here. This time of the year is pretty tight to get in, but you know, that's how Florida is apparently. There's the laundry room, which I utilized already. So, and you can use your card if you want, or coin. $1.50 to dry. If you want to go up, it's going to have to heavy, it's going to be $2 for washer settings. You know, so if you want a light load, it's $1.50. A medium is $1.75. $2 to wash. But all right, now here's your shuffleboard. And I've seen people out here every day. You know, there's tournaments. So, and Greg saw the lake. I knew there was a lake back here. Lots of birds out here in Florida, especially this time of the year. I guess. It is nice. There's a kitty cat way over there.
You know, for being a park that is not a 55 and up park, this has been really quiet.
Well, there's a couple kids behind us.
Yeah, but we haven't heard any serious drama like you hear in some of the parks.
No screaming kids, nothing like that.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
But this is a nice community, and here in Zephyr-Hills they have a brewery close by, or in the city here. And let's see, they've got, of course, they've got your Walmarts. We ate at a Mexican restaurant here yesterday.
Plaza Mexico?
Yeah, Plaza Mexico, and it was very
really
good.
good.
Yeah, I was surprised. That's the first
Mexican
good
place
Mexican food we've had
since
Texas. No, not. We didn't have good. Did we have good Mexican food in Texas?
Well, you got Tex-Mex. That was Tex-Mex.
That's not real Mexican. Well, yeah.
Yes, Tex-Mex.
But this was really the first good Mexican food we've had since, oh goodness, Las Cruces, New Mexico.
Oh, well, you can't beat that.
No, you can't, but that's how far we've traveled before we've had really good Mexican food, which is frustrating because being down from the southwest, Texas to Nevada, that area's got a lot of good Mexican food.
Chili.
Yes,
Hatch.
yes.
And you're not doing poblano, you're not doing whatever.
Yeah, if you order Mexican food in Louisiana and you say you want green chili, you're probably going to get a bell pepper. I mean, that's what it tastes like. There's just not a lot of flavor to it.
Good one. Jalapenos?
Yeah, but they don't have the real Mexico flavor that the green chili does.
No. But I mean, even jalapenos, jalapenos in Vegas actually taste like bell pepper to me. But jalapenos in New Mexico, oh my gosh. Okay, it's like habaneros. Okay, you guys, like ghost chilies. Okay, that's how hot. Then you get out here, you get bell pepper. You get poblano. It's like poblano is like bell pepper.
Yeah.
Bell pepper.
When we were in trucking, we took a few loads into Hatch, New Mexico, and you can smell the peppers when you get about 5 miles away. You start picking up the smell of the peppers.
The Hatch.
And we stopped to drop a load in Hatch once and picked up a bushel or half a bushel of green chilies.
And we were supposed to be home for like 2 weeks.
Yeah, and for 2 weeks my eyes were watering inside the truck.
I wrapped them, I did everything, I hung them up. I dried my own chilies if I can.
All right, this is the entrance to the park up here. We'll show you the entrance. All right, directly in front of us is Forest Lake Estates, which is actually the RV park next to where we're staying. And on the left, right here, where you see the blue Encore sign says welcome back, that is the park that we are actually in. That is the Forest Lake Village RV Resort. This is the entrance. And coming up here on our right is the office and mail center. But everybody here's been really friendly. They had no problem with us having mail delivered here.
Yeah, we had the mattress. The big mattress, right?
Yeah.
I had the mail center send everything, and they had to have, actually I didn't have access to the mailboxes, but the office personnel did, so I got my mail.
Yeah, actually, talking about the mattress, I had oh goodness, this was probably 25 years ago. I broke the ball joint right here in my shoulder, and it took about 3 months to heal. And once it had healed, I really haven't had many problems with it until we got in our motorhome. And
mattress sucks.
the mattress that we had in the motorhome when we purchased it, I don't want to say it was hard, but it kind of was. But it,
Well, you went
just,
right down to the plywood.
yeah, it was just
Yeah.
too thin.
Yeah.
And so anyways, my shoulder has just been aching and getting worse and worse over the last 6 months, and she has problems with her hip, and same with her. So we went online to Amazon and purchased a memory foam,
3-layer memory foam, like a 10-inch.
yeah, for $180.
Yeah.
Delivered.
Yeah.
And we've
To this park.
yeah, we've slept on it the last 3 nights.
2 nights.
2 nights? Okay. Well,
Yeah.
it feels like 3. Oh my
Oh
gosh.
my gosh, I slept so
It's like
good.
it's like sleeping on a pillow. It's fantastic.
It was awesome.
Oh, and I'm sure that the
Look at my shoulder. I
mattress-
can move my shoulder.
Yeah.
I can walk.
well, I'm sure that the mattress that we had that we got rid of probably cost more than this memory foam one did. And this memory foam one, oh my gosh, I won't do without another memory foam mattress. They actually pick up the trash at your RV site.
Well, it's different schedules for winter and summer, but Tuesdays and Fridays.
It's actually pretty cool looking too, because they come driving down these streets
like a little
with
choo-choo train.
yeah,
With these little cars.
it's a truck.
It's so cute.
It's a truck pulling a train of dumpsters behind it.
Yeah, exactly. It's cute. You know, I
So-
saw it before where they just had a regular trash truck. You know, they just pick it up.
Yeah.
But this is cute. But
And
you can't do anything big.
they
okay?
do not allow you to toss mattresses out into the dumpsters, anything like that.
So what did we do with our mattress?
When we went to the restaurant the other day, we went to the
Plaza Mexico?
Plaza Mexico restaurant.
Oh my
I
God.
asked our waitress or waiter if he knew of anybody that could use a mattress that was in good shape.
Yeah, what?
And they had a new cook or somebody that worked in the kitchen that needed one. So we put it in the back of our car, rolled it up, put it in the back of our car, took it over there, dropped it off there. So idea for you guys if you're on the road and change your mattress out and need something to do with your old one. So, but the sites themselves, this is our site,
Yeah, I've been working on
and it is a nice wide site. It has a driveway next to it with a picnic table.
right?
And over on this side you can see there's quite a bit of room.
Yeah, they're like large.
Yeah, they're nice large sites, and we've had a really good time here. And there is lots to do in this area. You're within an hour drive of more fun than you could possibly imagine
Right.
in all different ways. All right, everybody, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you enjoy all of our videos, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell up in the corner so that you get notifications. And please share these videos, and also check out our Patreon site
Yeah.
down in the description. So we're going to be adding a lot of content to that, a lot of bloopers and special stuff for Patreon members. And is there anything you want to add, Miss Janet?
I got dog hair in my mouth. That's no.
I wonder why.
Actually, yeah. Patreon's going to be something special for, our members. Okay.
All right, we'll see you guys again real soon. Take it easy. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.